If you want to be able to activate Gemini by using the power button or the side button on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then first of all, most likely you have to download the Gemini app. In my case, it was actually missing, so you have to open the Play Store, go to search, and we need to install Gemini. There we go. In my case, I have it already installed. So we want to, of course, install it, open it, and we want to activate Gemini in general. So make sure that it is set up. Now we're gonna go to settings, and in here we can scroll down to advanced features, and then we can choose side button. And unfortunately, we don't have the option to press and hold the power button to activate the Gemini, but we can go to double press and we can choose apps, and over here you should be able to find Gemini. So now if I double press the power button, as you can see, I can actually activate Gemini. So this is how we can get Gemini assigned to the power button.